Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to embed a Twitter post in WordPress. If you want to display tweets directly on your website, this tutorial is for you. First, go to the page where you want to embed your Twitter post. For example, let's go to the About page. When you hover your mouse, you will see the Edit option. Go ahead and click the Edit button to get started. Now, go to the Embed section. On the editing page, all we need to do is click the plus sign in the upper left corner. This is where we can add blocks like text or HTML. Next, type HTML in the search bar, then click on the custom HTML block. Once it appears on your screen, you will see an option to edit the HTML. This is where we will paste our code. On another tab, open ChatGPT and paste the link of your Twitter post. Then type the prompt, "Make me HTML code for Twitter with this link." ChatGPT will then generate the embed code for you. Once you have the code, simply copy it and paste it into the HTML block in WordPress. Your Twitter post will now appear on your page. This method makes it easy to embed Twitter posts using a simple copy and paste approach with the block editor. It helps make your website look more interactive and engaging. And that's it. Now we know how to embed a Twitter post on WordPress.